Welcome to Perfect Pronunciation. Today's class is about greeting phrases, and we have 6 greeting phrases. Let's begin. Number 1. How's it going? How's it going? The how's it is said together. How's it going? The stress is on the syllable go in going. How's it going? Number 2. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? There is a stress on what. What have you been up to? Have you been is said together. And there is a stress on up. What have you been up to? Number 3. How have you been? How have you been? There's a stress on how. How have you been? Have and you are said together, and there's a stress on the word been. How have you been? How have you been? Number 4. Long time no see. Long time no see. The words long time no are all said separately, and there is a stress on the word see. Long time no see. Long time no see. Number 5. How's your day going? How's your day going? How's your is all said together. How's your day going? There is a stress on the word day. How's your day going? How's your day going? Number 6. How are things? How are things? How and are said together. How are things? There is a stress on the word things. How are things? How are things? That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time. Bye-bye.